Look at this. There's 3,195 people in my trading group, and we're killing it daily. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you came into this market to make life-changing money, to make so much money that you can just quit your job, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with all the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, some altcoin setups so you can make some life-changing profits. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin is at 95.65. Remember, white falling wedge, 68% chance of a break higher. Boom. And it did. Double bottom here. Now, Bitcoin's been slowly trending higher. Let's take a look at a shorter term time frame to get a zoomed in view of what's going on. So your RSI is overbought. Okay, so this happened back here around this area, and you can see there was a pullback. Okay, so that has to be part of the thought process. If we look, the MACD is curving lower. Now it looks like, and I talked about this yesterday, you got this retest right here. Let's zoom in even more to see this idea. But before that, just understand that you had a 4-hour golden cross confirmed here. So all your major moving averages are below the price action right now, which is a good idea as far as a strong trend goes. This is a pretty nice trend. However, there are some bearish ideas showing up right now, so possibly a pullback coming. Just want to make sure and remind you guys that right now my trading group is 40 to 50% off when you pay in crypto for 6 or 12 months. Also, with 12 months, you do get 1 month free additional to that. Bitcoin 1 hour chart, the rising wedge, 68% chance this breaks lower. Overall, you got a bearish MACD cross, some type of retracement here. But again, overall, you have to just assume that the price action is going to continue in this pattern. So a break above 9,700 would give you 9,800, 10,000. And then we could go as high as 10,500, still be in this pattern. But I'm going to talk to you about an idea right now that might make you FOMO into Bitcoin when you see this. This is pretty phenomenal. I got some amazing shout outs to my trading group. Thanks to you, my debt is history. I have a healthy $12,500 profit in 3 weeks. Over 8 of your gem trade picks. Killed it with ERD. This guy paid off all of his debt. All of his debt. This person just joined the group. He's up $12,000 in profit. He bought the Cody idea back in June. Next person. Can't believe what I'm seeing. I entered the trading group today. I already paid off the price of the trading group. This is what happened with Bitcoin 2016. This red line is a halving. Halving just happened 10 weeks ago prior. Bitcoin went completely parabolic, ran up from around $450 to $20,000. Here we are 10 weeks after the 2020 Bitcoin halving. FOMO rally. Let's go. Dude, we've been waiting on something like this since right about here. Right about here. Bitcoin, remember that? Bitcoin was 20,000 and like a month later it was 6,500. Boom. Everybody was just like, what just happened? We thought we were going to 100,000. Well, listen, here we are again. We're a lot closer to this epic upside for Bitcoin going forward. So again, my buy signal for Bitcoin's 10,500. Bitcoin's got to show me, put in a higher high up here, higher than this previous high, and then boom, bull run ready. I'm ready to do this with you guys. I'm so excited. So excited. Are we there yet, though? We'll see. Chainlink comes out, and they tweeted this. Binance Smart Chain is integrated with Chainlink, and it's Oracle Live on the testnet. So this Chainlink gives developers access to off-chain data. For example, Binance DEX, enabling them to build DeFi applications for derivatives, crypto payments, automated asset management, and more. DeFi and Chainlink in the same tweet. I've got a setup for you guys on this one. There's another BNB staking for Binance by Anchor. This is going to happen on the testnet. So again, Anchor came out with some positive news for Binance as well. So Binance has an IEO coming. These IEOs, here's the last 3 IEOs and what they did to the price action as far as BNB goes. You had about 30% gains with Troy. WazRX, you had about 36% gains. Cartesi, you had almost 21% gains. We could see 30% gains here out of BNB. That's a big number, 30%. Listen, the way this works is you have to buy a bunch of BNB and hold it for an extended period of time in order to have a chance to take place in these lotteries, to win the opportunity to enter these IEOs. And these IEOs have been life-changing money, so people have profited considerably off this. So there's a lot of incentive to buy BNB and hold it right here. So here's where we're at. I talked to you guys about this setup previously, just to kind of clarify, give you guys a better view of this. You got this triangle after this breakout of this falling wedge. Okay, so you got the DeFi rumors, IEO, you got Chainlink, Anchor news as well. The targets up here, again, 30% gains out of BNB. Do not miss this one. Buy the breakout of the triangle. If you don't have a Binance account, why not? Go to the link in the description, sign up for Binance. If you're in the United States, use PureVPN, use Binance International. It's better. It's the best exchange. Cheap, low fees, the lowest fees you're going to get, the most coins, the best volume. This is the way to go. BNB, just putting this on your radar. Beam defines DeFi. Man, everything today. DeFi. And they're pumping. Now, will this become watered down? Will the waters become muddy? Will these play out as well going forward? I was looking at some of the previous gains based on some of these DeFi projects. Lend, it was up ridiculous over like the past year. These DeFi is hot right now, guys. So all these coins, you're going to see DeFi pumps. STPT, I got a setup on this for you, but they've got the DeFi Zone launch on July the 31st, and I'm going to give you this setup right here. STPT. Now, it's already broken out. It was here when I posted in the trading group, but now you're going to buy the breakout of this level. Here's your SAT take profit levels right here. Okay, so again, you're buying the breakout. This isn't buy now. This is buy the breakout or the retest, even better. Remember, on some of these, you're going to see sell-offs, right? So there's some, say Shelly's being launched for ADA. Traders take profits, right? Atom has a testnet, possibly. So you're going to see sell-offs. Take profits. Everybody else is. You got to take your profits before they do. Pundy X is integrating support for Wanchain cross-chain assets onto all XPOS devices. Pundy X, Wanchain, stepping it up. BitGo launched Tezos custody and staking service. In Tezos, people like this idea. They want to stake. They want a second income, a stream of revenue. Staking's been doing well. DeFi has taken the market by storm. The crypto bullish move talks about Ethereum has surged so far by 11%, while Bitcoin saw a 2.3% rise. Ethereum. Now the question is, I posted this back on 3 days ago, the Ethereum setup. Here it is, nailing targets, nailing them down. Listen, what comes first, the TA or the news? The TA. The news just tries to figure out, hey, what can we find to build some ideas behind this price action, this positive move out of Ethereum. So really you have this inverse head and shoulders like we talked about. And protocol, this is one I gave to you guys previously, and this is just an idea of the epic pumps that you can see in this market. Life-changing money is made on these type of setups. This is staking banned. So the banned protocol 2.0 mainnet launch happened. This is a setup posted in June by the breakout. What happened? Boom, 387% profits out of banned. What was Bitcoin doing the entire time? Chop, 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 chop. Not a whole lot. Telling you, small cap altcoins, trade them. This now looks like it's putting in a double top, about to get some type of retracement. So be careful if you're a banned holder. Ethereum 2.0 testnet going live early August. Ethereum surges. Listen, you know how many dates that Ethereum 2.0 has given us? Nobody knows like that. Okay, so the Ethereum 2.0 development team, they've said August 4th is the, wait for it, tentative date, wait for it, for the first main testnet of Ethereum 2.0 to go live. The testnet's going to be final testnet before the mainnet launch. Can't wait for this to happen. Life-changing money. ADA, what are you going to do, ADA? Shelly's coming, July the 29th. July the 29th. We got this triangle. There are about, let's just measure it. There are about 6 days left in this triangle. You know, typically these break out at about 75% full. So you have to think we should have some type of run-up breakout to the upside. So make sure and catch this last leg of the Shelly run-up. Remember, these parabolic moves to the upside, they end with these blow-off tops, these big, quickest, fastest possible gains in crypto, parabolic gains. Bitcoin dominance is falling. I was cheering for this yesterday. It did happen. Now it's trying to bottom here. There's potentially some support level. The altcoins will continue to take off as this Bitcoin dominance drops. A lot of people think, hey, Bitcoin dominance could drop considerably because of all the DeFi projects in crypto. Visa announces efforts to integrate digital assets to its payment platform. This is huge news. It doesn't get any bigger than this. Mastercard, Visa, I just have some more details on this I want to cover with you guys. So the company stated, Visa stated, digital currencies help them offer better services as regard to expanding networks to support modern forms of trade and exchange, which really means if we don't freaking adapt to the changes, we're going to get run over. Crypto takeover. Visa team stated that one of the partnerships it entered into is with Coinbase. Visa, Coinbase. We're working earnestly to link our current worldwide network of 61 million merchants to the world of digital currencies. So they're probably going to take crypto through something like Coinbase Pay, potentially. Let's see how this unfolds. But it's interesting to kind of understand that Visa and Mastercard, like they see it. They say, hey, we're not going to let crypto take over. They're probably not going to use any cryptos. And I'm going to talk to you about that in a second. This is Visa.com. Advancing our approach to digital currency. Visa's outlook on new digital currency payment flows. This was posted yesterday. But our research, they stated, has been exploring the science of blockchain technology for years. The work has been very promising. A lot of innovations, including Zether and Fly Client. Today, their research is focused on new mechanisms to improve scalability and enable offline digital currency transactions, which means they're really probably going to come up with their own private blockchain, right? A lot of these large corporations, they're not going to say, hey, let's use Ethereum. I hope they do. Let's see what happens. Visa and MasterCard, they're not going to issue their own cryptocurrencies. So they've taken positive stances on blockchain. They're working to provide access to crypto. They've got patents and partnerships that raise the possibility that either company might launch their own crypto, but now they're saying, hey, this is unlikely. They've got, again, relationships with Fold, Coinbase, Anchorage, but they said they're just going to expand. MasterCard's going to use WireX as well. So again, just partnering up to kind of pivot things towards some type of digital currency transactions going forward. This is going to be competition for crypto. Okay, and so it's important to understand that mainstream we want so badly to adopt this is going to be competition. How Bitcoin will respond to its biggest listing yet, the United States. Bitcoin's getting listed in the United States, and they're talking about banking. And we talked about this, and I really gave this some thought. And I'm not a big fan of this, and I'll tell you why. Bitcoin price is at a pivotal moment, ready for a breakout into a new bull trend. The crypto market's just been watching and waiting for the right spark. At first, seemingly everybody's going to say, hey, this is big for crypto. And potentially it is. But I want to kind of pose a different idea and thought process that I've had here. Crypto assets typically pump when they're listed on a new exchange or platform. The spark the crypto market needs right now could be here with the listing of Bitcoin on every single United States bank in the world. Thinking about this today, and like things started just to dawn on me, just as far as why cryptocurrency is going to be so successful. This just seems to me like a power play, a way to kind of control and keep things under wrap. And banks don't want to miss out on this money. And I feel like that we're being tracked. Everything we do financially is being tracked by the United States government, by banks. It's concerning. It's concerning. And I think that's where this is headed. You know, we all know that Bitcoin is easily tracked. So imagine if you go and you register, but the thing is you don't know whose account is whose with Bitcoin. You don't know whose wallet is whose. But this would be potentially a way for people to keep track of, or banks and the United States government to keep track of whose wallet's whose. And so all of a sudden they have identity behind these cryptocurrency wallets. And so I just feel like they are trying to take a lot of rights away from us. You know, one of the big, huge advantages of cryptocurrency is that it's decentralized, and a lot, even though it's not completely private, in a sense, it provides a lot of the freedoms that we want as far as avoiding the oversight of the government. Like the government wants to know everything about everything, and cryptocurrency at least gives us some type of break away from that. And people are going to say, well, what about cash, Chris? What about cash? Yes, but exactly. But the thing is, you go take $10,000 out of the bank account, you try to move a large amount of money around cash-wise, and you're filling out tax paperwork, right? And so with crypto, and it's coming with crypto, with FATF as well, it's coming. Like they're going to want to know any large transactions over, $1,000 or $2,000. They're going to want to know where it's coming from, why. I feel like governments are getting involved in this, and this is just going to be a control factor. Just kind of want to plant the seed and really ask you guys, like, what do you guys think here? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.